Hello everyone, myself Shravani. So here's my technical presentation of latest technology, 6G technology, that is sixth generation technology or network. Let us move to the headlines. Here I'm going to cover all these contents. Those are introduction, what is a mobile phone, evolution of technology in mobiles, 6G technology, comparison of wire technology and air fiber transmission of 6G, features, advantages, requirement and even conclusion. Let us move on to the introduction slide. As we all are familiar with the word wireless and which is used in our daily life. So the wireless communication is nothing but transferring the data between one or more points which are not connected, hence the name wireless. This can be used for long distance communications and as well as short distance communications. Hence, this wireless technology is the main base for the evolution of technologies. Let us discuss this evolution of technologies in the further slides or future slides. It has n number of transmission mediums like radio wave, microwave, infrared, and other mediums which have seen in the spectrum. And even it make use of GPS for exchanging of the information. Let's move on to the next slide. What is mobile phone? As we use this gadget in our daily life, hence it is very familiar to us. It is a device that is used to make the calls and receive the calls over a radio link while moving around a large geographic area. It mainly uses the wireless communication for the information exchange. The number of tasks can be performed by the phone anywhere at any time. The main advantage of this technology is it is portable. So let us move to the next slide. The next slide describes the evolution of technologies in mobiles. Here, the numbers ranging from 0G to 6G are the generations. And here, the graphical representation of the evolution, where x-axis describes the year of launching the technologies, whereas you can see 6G can be expected in 2030. Let's discuss these generations one by one. 0G technology, that is zero generation technology. It was invented in the year 1945, where it used the technology which is based on handover. Handover is nothing but an ongoing call from one channel to the other channel. People like constructors, celebrities, they use this technology for basic voice communications. Here, some of the technologies used in this zero technology were PTT, that is push to talk, MTS, that is mobile telephonic system, IMTS, that is improved mobile telephonic system. Let us move on to the first generation. As we came across 0G, where it was wired technology, year 1G is a wireless technology which was introduced in the year 1979. This allows the voice calls only in that particular country. So this technology had speed up to 2.4 kbps. The same technologies which were used in 0G are used in this 1G technology, and those are PTT, MTS, AMTS, and bit advanced feature IMTS. Okay, let us move on to the second generation. This generation was developed in 1990. It has a speed up to 64 kbps. The second generation technology was bit advanced, and they made these by using the digital systems. The services such as digital voice and as well as SMS were supported with more clarity. Technology used was GSM, that is Global System for Mobile Communications, where it describes the protocol for the second generation and as well as the first generation. It provides the better quality and capacity when compared to the 1G. Let us move on to the 2.5 generation technology. The 2.5 generation technology was developed in the year 1991, where uh, it is the technology between the 2G and as well as 3G. This technology is sometimes described as 2G because it is combined with the GPRS and as well as GSM. Here, GPRS is nothing but a general packet radio service. GSM is nothing but a global system for mobile communication. Let us move on to the third generation technology. The third generation technology was introduced in the year 2003. Hence, the data transmission speed was increased from 144 kbps to 2 mbps, whereas it provides the faster communication when compared to the second generation. The main advantages in this generation are it can send or receive a large email messages and as well as high speed browsing. So, and here features of this third generation technology are video conferencing, 3D gaming, TV streaming, and mobile TV. Let us move on to the fourth generation technology. The fourth generation technology was introduced in the year 2009. The speed was up to 300 Mbps. This technology was based on the IP based mobility. And this has the both cellular and broadband multimedia service anywhere. The cost is low and has the smooth global roaming. And here some of the technologies are 3GPP, that is third generation partnership project, and LTE is a long term evolution. And next, let us move on to the fifth generation technology. The fifth generation technology was introduced in the year 2017, and this technology, it is a complete wireless technology which has no limitations, where it is highly supportable to www, that is wireless world wide web. this network this network run based on the open wireless architecture. The speed is up to 1 Gbps. As of 4G, these 5G mobiles also use the mobile IP, whereas they require the smart antennas. And this technology, which provides more security features like encryption, flexibility, and even antivirus. Let us move on to the sixth generation technology. This technology is expected in the future years, or it may be expected in 2030. It is also wireless technology with no limitations. Here the advantages are internet provides the fast internet with the low prices and also having the speed in a terabit range. The data is transmitted from the air fiber network cables. It make use of the high speed optical fiber lines which are completely secured, so that the data can be transmitted or the information can be transmitted from the other end to the from the transmitter to the receiver in a secured manner. Let us move on to the comparison of wire technology and air fiber transmission of 6G technology. Old wire technology, it is the technology through wire, as the name shows. Most of the people in our neighborhood were using this network, which leads to the slowing down of the connections. It produces many packet losses. For example, when many vehicles are passing through the same way, one vehicle must control its speed depending on the speed of the other vehicle. So hence it reduces the speed and as well as responsible for the data loss. Here it is a pictorial representation of the old technology. As a figure consists of the wire technology and connections underground, which are made up of copper wire and fiber optics, where the data is transmitted from these copper wires and fiber optics. Let us move on to the 6G. The 6G wireless technology. In 6G, data passes through the cloud by air fiber technology. Therefore, it doesn't have packet losses. When in old technology, they used to have packet losses because of the wire technology. Here, the 6G is a completely wireless technology, hence there are no packet losses. The data transmission of the 6G technology is extremely fast. The data is being collected by smart antennas. Here, the 6G technology consists of these smart antennas, where it can receive and send the information from the air cable. Here it is a pictorial representation of the 6G technology. As the figure explains, the graphical representation of the 6G network, whereas it forms the 6G air fiber, data is transmitted or received through this air fiber, which has a particular bandwidth and it's absolutely wireless. Let's move on to the features. 6G technology having the frequency of 5.8 gigahertz. This technology provides ultra broadband internet service. The mobiles which use this technology must have large and good storage capacity. 6G technology provide 3D internet concept. Space technology and defense applications will be modified with 6G network. 6G network provides home automation and other related applications, and it also provides home based ATM systems. Let us move to the advantages of the 6G technology. So the advantages of the 6G technology are: 6G technology protect your mobile and secure data. It has super fast streaming without any buffering. The 6G technology provide real online gaming experience and reduce the lag while gaming. This technology is highly efficient. Natural disasters can be controlled by 6G network. It provides intelligent batteries and improves storage capacity. It provides high mobile TV resolution. 6G technology creates smart home, smart cities, and as well as smart villages. Satellite to satellite communication for the development of the mankind. Requirements: smart antenna. 6G technology, it requires the smart antenna for receiving the high speed internet. And as well it needs the high capacity fiber optic network for the transmission of high speed data in a secured manner. Large internet memory in mobile. The availability of the data is increased, so the storage also need to be increased. So, by this we can conclude that today mobile phone consists of everything ranging from smallest size, largest phone memory, and speed dialing, video player, audio player, and camera, and so on. The sixth generation wireless mobile communication network integrate satellites for global coverage. It has it can be a combination of nano core and artificial intelligence, where all the network operators will be connected to one single core. These are the references. Thank you.